Hey guys, Barry at BRU Detailers here. We've got this lovely little Kia Picanto has come in. Unfortunately, the mileage readout on the dashboard is in kilometres. And it's one of those difficult ones that for the life of us, we just can't figure out exactly how to get it to go back to where it came from. So current fuel range remaining 474 kilometres. Odometer readout 6,064 kilometres. Now, Hyundai and Kia are very, very good, and their menu systems are brilliant. So in theory, we should just be able to click on here, or tap, push, whatever you want to call it, and go onto the settings. And normally buried in here, somewhere. Let's have a look. Language. Nope, no units in there. Other features. Fuel economy auto reset. Fuel economy units. Nope, nothing in there for MPG. Oh, temperature units. Nope, nothing in there. Interesting. Convenience. Nope. Driver assistance. No. Okay, so it's not in there at all, which is unusual. So, therefore, must be under the settings on the main display. Let's have a look. Settings search, units. Distance unit, settings navigation display. Distance unit, miles. Still says kilometres. It says miles on there. So I was having a play while I was sitting in traffic, and here's the interesting thing. On this screen you've got up at the moment, which you can flick through different bits and pieces, fuel economies, etc., that pops up. Digital speedo, hold OK for MPH, which is that button just down there. So we'll hold that, and hey presto, 3,767 miles on the odometer, 294 miles of remaining fuel range. So there you go. Simple as that, but in a really stupid place. See you again soon.